Welcome to Nighty Devil Creations. Today we're going to be turning a pin out of a piece of, I think it's maple, at my job. They put these in to protect the center, and it's just like a little protective device. It's like hard maple. We're going to turn a gunmetal bolt action tactical pin today. Let's see what we got. Picked up a piece of cherry the other day ago. So we can turn a bowl out of that. Some Osage orange. I'm gonna turn like a little square plate out of this. So let me know if you want to see either one of those videos. What else we got going on today? Oh yeah, I picked up a gimbal. Let me know how you like the video quality on my cell phone on this gimbal, if it's smooth, whatever. If you're new to the channel, I'd like to say thank you for checking me out. Don't forget to subscribe if you like what you see here. And if you have already subscribed, thanks for checking me out and hitting that button, and keep watching. So let's get into this turn, and I will catch you guys on the flip side. Wow. We have a failure of the tripod. Oh my god. I think this tripod has seen better days. There we go. Alright, we got that cut. Now we gotta drill a hole, 8mm. 8mm. Alright, let's go over to the lathe. Whew. You're gone. Why that was so tight? Good fitting. That would fit good. God, you're so cap. Ugh. There we go. All right. Woo-wee. It's a tight one. That's how you want them. He ain't gonna fall apart on you. This out. Put this in. That in. This in. Uh, man, that turned out beautiful. Holy Christ. Almost a mirror finish. If I was ever going to shave, I'd use this pen blank. God, that turned out nice. Love the action of this. This is a practical pen. Easy to use. It's not like, you know, anything else out there with the little click top. You know, just boom, you're right into it. Love this. Even has like this little stylus thing. I guess if you want to put on the top here, you just unscrew this, and you can put that little stylus in there. That's up to you. Like I said, this is a gift for somebody that I know. Please, hey, let's do this. Boom, there we are. Please like, subscribe, you know, the thumbs up, hit that bell notification if you want to know when I upload new videos. It's 2019, guys. I'm going to be uploading every Sunday. So if I didn't upload, hit me up. Be like, where's my video? Let me know. Keep me honest. Life's busy, but I need some accountability from you guys. If you want to see them, like I said, I'll make them. If you got a suggestion, suggestion, let me know. I really want to make stuff that you guys want to see. So, until next time, later.